The manufacturing of recycled paperboard begins with the collection of waste paper or recovered fiber. Our paper mills consume over 1,200,000 tons of recovered fiber every year that would otherwise be sent to landfills around the country. The recovered fiber comes from a variety of sources, including old magazines, newspapers, and consumer packaging products. This fiber also comes from curbside recycling efforts in communities all around the country. Other sources of recovered fiber are old corrugated containers collected from retail stores, as well as other paper packaging materials from businesses and industries. Different types of recovered fiber are used in various grades of recycled paperboard. It all depends on the desired characteristics of the finished product, things like strength, smoothness, and stiffness. The first step in the process is pulping. Pulping is a term used to describe mechanically breaking down the recycled paper with water to separate the fibers. The pulping process creates a slurry called stock, which can then be cleaned of contaminants such as tape, staples, metal, glass, and styrofoam. The stock is then pumped to the paper machine to form the recycled paperboard. The recycled paperboard is formed on the paper machine in multiple layers or plies. The number of plies ranges from 5 to 10 depending on the style of paper machine and the thickness of the paperboard. Caraustar's paper machines can produce recycled paperboard in the range of 12 to 70 thousandths of an inch thick, depending on the customer's needs. After the paper is formed on the paper machine, the pressing and drying sections of the paper machine are used to remove the water that was introduced during the pulping process. The press section of the paper machine removes water by pressing the newly formed paperboard between two rubber-covered rolls. The drying section removes water by wrapping the recycled paperboard around rotating steel dryer rolls that are filled with steam. The steam heats the surface of the dryer rolls, and the heated surface dries the paperboard. Once the sheet of recycled paperboard is dry, it enters a calendar roll section. The calendar rolls are smooth steel rolls that help provide a smooth surface to the sheet. Additives can also be added at the calendar section to enhance the surface characteristics of the sheet, such as water holdout, printability, and color. After the calendar section, the sheet is then either sheeted and stacked on pallets or wound into rolls. Caraustar has 4 mills that can sheet the recycled paperboard directly into sheets on the paper machine. These sheets are custom cut into the length and width of the customer's specifications and automatically palletized. Once the paperboard has been cut into sheets, it can be packaged and sent directly to the customer, or it can go through additional steps in Caraustar's mill specialty converting facilities. In our converting operations, our recycled paperboard can be laminated together to produce a thicker sheet. Our specialty converting departments can also provide custom cutting to produce smaller panels of paperboard, as well as provide specialty converting like cutting round corners or cutting grooves into the paperboard for folding. 13 of Caraustar's paper mills can also produce rolls of recycled paperboard. Each roll is custom produced to the customer's exact specification for finished roll diameter, roll width, and size of core. The finished rolls are then packaged to the specific requirements of the customer. The Caraustar Mill Group is proud to offer a wide variety of recycled paperboard sheets and rolls. Our products are shipped all over the United States and overseas and are a vital component to many of the products we all use every day.